How to fix WhatsApp unable to complete the download problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually fix WhatsApp unable to download error. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes when you open up WhatsApp, somebody sends you a specific media, right? When somebody sends you a media and then you try to download that media, it says unable to download, or sometimes this could be the case with photos. So why does this happen? This happens when the other person has sent you the photo but you have not viewed the photo, right? Because when you view it, it will automatically download to your mobile, so you didn't view that photo, you only saw the chat itself, and later on the person who sent you actually deleted it from their mobile because it has simply not been delivered to you, it is still in their mobile phone. Then that is when the unable to download error usually happens. So in that case, what you might just want to do is request the other person to send the media again, because sometimes the media could not exist in the other person's phone. Sometimes the issue could be with your own device storage. You want to make sure you have enough storage and do some of the things which we are going to discuss in this video. The very first thing you want to do is simply long press on the WhatsApp app icon, then tap on the I button that you see. Once you tap on the I button, it will take you to the app information page. Go to storage, click on clear cache. Now do not tap on clear data, because if you have any important chats that you've not backed up, clearing the data will most likely remove all those chats. So keeping that thing in mind, the next thing you want to do is simply open up a Google Play Store, and then in the search box you want to go ahead and type in WhatsApp. Once you type in WhatsApp, check if the WhatsApp app has an update available, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update the app to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.